Hello, everyone. It's me, Hannah, coming to you live and in stereo. I'm kidding. But it is me, Hannah, and I'm here to kind of give you a rundown on how to drive. I'm going to show you how to put in reverse, drive, and eventually take off. So sit back and enjoy the ride. Okay, guys, so here we are. This is me pulling out my key and about to put in the ignition. So, what you do is you want to turn it, but you want to turn it all the way, or else you won't be able to fully start or go anywhere. As you can see, I'm struggling here. Hannah, but just turn it all the way. Yep, keep going. There you go. Now let's take a look at our stop and go, our brake and gas. On the left there, you have your brake, and on the right there is your gas. Now let's talk about putting it in reverse. In order to do that, you have to kind of press down that metal thing in the middle and pull it back. But you make sure your foot is on the brake while doing so. If not, it will not go anywhere. Hannah, wait, you're not ready. Let's talk about our here's turning signals. As you can see, if you pull down, you'll be signaling that you're going left, and if you pull up, you'll be telling them that you're going right. Now let's talk about our here hazards. The little square little button here, if you press it, this will tell the person behind you that you are in the stationary position and that you can no longer move. If you press it, it will turn those off. Now I think we're ready to take off. Okay, now let's review. Make sure that your car is all the way turned on, meaning all the way. And now here we have in the middle is the metal bar, and you pull it back while your foot is on the brake. Do not forget to have your foot on the brake, or else it will not be able to move back or forth, and it will just be stuck. Now let's put it in drive. Still having your foot on the brake, make sure to pull the metal bar and push it back to where you see the D. Here is the D, N, R, P. The D is for drive, N is for neutral, R for reverse, and P for park. Now I feel that you're ready to drive. Even though these tips were few and simple, these are the tips that help you on the road as you're driving around the city. Make sure to stay safe, but enjoy your ride.